Okay, Jose, I passed you the baton, buddy. So waiting to hear your voice and have you share your screen. Thanks for weathering whatever was happening in Colombia to get online and hang out with us and show us some of your stuff.
Thank you, Dale.
Hi, Jose. How are you? You going to share
fine.
your screen?
So
you use stock charts? Are you a contributor on stock charts?
No, but I like that platform. I usually trade on AvaTrade, but because I came late and this is not my computer, it will take some time to charge my normal platform, but I will use this one.
Okay.
Do you see a stock chart right now?
Yeah, well, we see the triple Qs up there. We did a second ago.
Okay.
Triple Qs are up there.
Okay.
So,
okay, perfect.
you know, we did this once before on FX Street, didn't we?
Yes, sir. Yes, we discussed about
so
euro.
we interviewed
dollar.
hundreds. Jose, I forgot how you got into this game and, you know, what your journey was like at the beginning. How did you end up being a trader?
Okay, I have the luck to know some friends in the U.S. One guy from Russia, another from the U.S. precisely, and they introduced me to this beautiful occupation. Now it's almost full time, and I love this game. You know.
Okay. Was it Vladimir Rybakov in Russia?
No. No, they are not trading anymore. You know, they make a big deal and they retire.
Okay, where we all want to be. So,
yes,
okay. So, looking at the euro, it sure isn't giving up much ground here at all, is it? Is it your contention that the euro is in a long-term bull market, or are we correcting the decline from 140 to 103?
No, as a matter of fact, last time we talked, I forecast parity. You know, it was May 2015, and it went to 104, if I don't get wrong. Okay, since then it has
it based for 6 months and then turned up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And actually, I'm surprised because the dollar has been so weak, and I didn't expect that. You know.
Okay. You're not the only one.
Yes, I know. Many people should lost a lot of money with that kind of thought.
So how now, Brown Cow? Where we go? Where do you think we're going from here?
Okay, right now I'm neutral because I think we have a big up move, but it should consolidate between 115 and 120. I'm a little bearish, you know.
Okay. So you're expecting a pullback towards 115.
Yes.
Before we make a new high. Okay.
Yes. Definitively. I think we should go to 114 to be more accurate.
Okay. So before we make a new high, you think that high is going to stand that we put in a week or so ago? Because that was kind of a negative candle last week. So under last week's low, it should be vulnerable, don't you think?
Yes, past two candlesticks in the weekly chart, you know, 3 weeks ago it was a pin bar with a top in 119. You know, that's a little bearish to me. You know, if you see in March, March, April, in May last year, you know, we have the same candle and then went down, you know, until it took the moving average, you know. I think it will go to the exponential 20-day exponential moving average at least.
Okay,
That's
so
why
that's
I'm
where,
talking about 114.
I see. Okay, nice look.
Yes.
You want to go to the Qs? What do you think? Have we topped, or is there one more high coming into September before the top comes in? I think you were on the Qs.
Yes, I love the Qs.
You trade the Qs a lot? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's my favorite index.
So when you're bearish, do you trade that bearish ETF? I forgot what it's the symbol is. They have a bearish.
VXX,
Huh?
the VXX.
No, that's a VIX. There's a bearish. There's a bet ETF. QQQ is a bullish bet on the Qs, and there's a bearish bet on the Qs. I think it's TQQ.
Yes, but the problem is in my platform I don't have that chance. Then I hedge with the VXX when I'm long or vice versa. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Do you think after last week the VIX has bottomed?
I have been expecting the big bottoming for a while,
For about a year.
I think if I am honest, I think for more time,
More time.
Yeah, but
okay, that's fine.
Maybe this time is different, no?
Let me ask you this, Jose. Most people on their Twitter account, they have a link because they have some kind of business going on, and you don't. You don't have a link, so you're just trading your own account, aren't you? You have no axe to grind. You're not trying to sell a course, or is that all you do? Is trade your own account? Do you manage other people's money? Is this your sole venture? Is trading your own account?
I learned that to share is great, and I'm trying to give other traders my input, my opinion, my charts, for free.
Yeah.
I don't know if later if I get more known thanks to to guys like you, for example, that is an honor to be here. That I start a signals business or something like that. But right now, it's not in my interest. I'm working on a new project. I have been training some guys in Colombia to provide me with signals,
Okay.
because I think trading is not a lone wolf business. You start making some money, you get high, and then something happens and you lose again. Consistency.
I believe in collaborating with people.
Yes.
So you're developing kind of your own little mastermind. You're teaching people your stuff, and then you're going to have like meetings and discussions of markets, and your associates may see something you don't, even though you're the teacher.
Okay, this is my idea, and I want to share. I don't care if somebody else copy it. I train these guys. They didn't know nothing about. They know nothing about this business.
Right.
And they learn to know when to buy and when to sell based on the template that I give to each one of them.
Okay.
Then I create a platform, and they are sending me the charts, the signal, and that's good because that remove my bias to select a specific pair or index or stock.
That's a very interesting method to overcome a psychological issue of having a bias. So you teach people how to trade, and then
Yes.
they send you their work, and instead
Yes.
of you trading your biases, you're trading the work that you taught them.
Exactly. That you
That
got
is
it.
really,
You got it.
you are really, what an interesting way to make up
Yes.
for your own shortcoming.
Yes.
Interesting. I've never
Yes.
heard of anyone doing that before. So kudos to you, Jose.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you so much.
I,
And they get paid, and what I'm trying to do is invite them at the end of the day when they see the results to invest with me. We are gonna have a share account,
uh-huh.
and because one is working for all and all are working for him, or her,
Right.
then I think we can make the money, because alone, I have my limitations, and I know it's very difficult. I have great moments, but then I lose. I don't have consistency. I have my limitations. There are some guys that are brilliant. It's not my case, but to overcome that limitation, I did what you say. You describe it perfectly. You know,
Okay.
that's what I'm working on it. Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, you know that I'm always hoping that green pips rain down on you, and now that you have a team, that they rain down on you and your team. So why don't we wrap it with what you think? Give me all your biases. Is going to be the biggest trade going into the fall and into the end of the year.
Okay.
If you had to, I put a gun to your head and tell me what the best trade is going to be going into year end.
Uh, I, in the beginning of the year, I said that, not to you, but to my followers, that Ethereum was going to be the start of the year.
Ethereum? Oh,
Ethereum,
you're
yeah.
into the, okay, you're into the cryptos now.
Yes,
So,
I love
all
it.
right. So Ethereum's your big bet into the end of the year. We're covering them now. So do you have a chart? I don't even know if you have a chart on Ethereum. What's your target to the upside in Ethereum?
I think 500 is my target. My initial
Okay.
target.
Okay.
Ethereum was my choice at the beginning of the years. Right now, I think maybe Litecoin is powerful enough to make some waves, but I think all should put their eyes on cryptos.
On what?
Is where their action is. Definitely.
What's
Percentage move daily is terrific.
in what?
In every cryptocurrency, but
Okay.
I only
But
like I only like
how about the execution issues and the spreads and everything? Are you actually trading them?
yes, sir. Yeah, you gotta be very careful. My advice to the other trader is only to trade the ones that you see in MetaTrader. I mean,
Oh,
Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum, and Dash. Only those five. I think if they are in the MT4 platform, is because they already has the weight to be there.
okay. That's great
That's my advice.
advice. That's
Yes,
great
yes.
advice. Anything you could find on the MT4. Are the spreads tight on MT4?
Not that much, but I I have this thought, Dale, is I don't care much about the spread, but to be right, what the trend
Okay.
will be. That
But
that's my
you
my
don't,
my my, my thing.
you don't throw market orders in though, do you? Everything's a limit order?
No. I do.
You do
I
market
do.
orders?
Yes, I program some orders, but normally I do live orders. I
Okay.
see my my projection, and I enter. You know, I don't care if I'm wrong 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. You know, because
That
at the
makes
end of the day,
perfect sense to me. Yeah. I mean, you want to know you're in. It doesn't make a difference if you're not in at the greatest price, and you want to know you're out. Yeah.
Exactly. I don't get upset if I am wrong, for a little bit. To be right exactly is only a matter of good luck. The
Yeah.
important thing is to determine the trend. See the reversal, and that's it. It's all I care.
Okay. Well, Craig, you could follow Jose at Your Trading. UR_trading. And Jose, I want to thank you so much for your persistence, and I hope you're safe from the storm. And
I am. I am.
and it was great to talk to you again. Did you want to show one more chart before we say adios? Apple. Big Short, Apple.
No. Apple. It should close the gap. No.
Yeah. So you still like Apple?
Yeah, I am very short term.
Okay.
We should go to 150, and then we will rethink what to do with that stock.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, my trading warrior brother.
Thank you so much to you, Dale, and sorry for the delay, but it's a pleasure. And
So keep in touch with me. Keep in touch with me and let me know how your team is doing, okay?
I will.
All right. Thank you, buddy.
Okay, bye-bye. Good
All
luck.
right. See you, Jose. And
Okay.
see you. Do you have that Twitter handle? You're welcome, Mike. You can tell he's got a great demeanor. So thanks, everyone. See you tomorrow. I have Kurt Spanos tomorrow. And remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Thank you, Steve. Great to have your analysis back here. And Grega, thank you, buddy. And Stelios, thank you. And we'll see you for Turnaround Tuesday. Maybe something's going to set up for that. Adios.